Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to get the epic face on Roblox. Alright, let's begin. First, you need to understand that the epic face is a rare and retired Roblox item that was originally released back in 2009. It quickly became one of the most iconic meme faces in Roblox history. However, in 2025, it is no longer available for purchase, and it is also not directly obtainable through normal gameplay. The important thing to know is that the epic face is not tradable anymore, so you cannot get it through the Roblox trading system even if you are a premium member. Because of this, the only real way to have it is if you already owned it from years ago. Otherwise, you cannot legitimately obtain it through trades or the catalog. Be careful of fake offers or scams claiming to give it for free, as those are not real and can put your account at risk. If you still want a similar look, you can search for UGC faces or accessories inspired by the epic face, which are cheaper and still give a similar vibe for your avatar. So that's basically how you can get the epic face on Roblox. That's it for this video. Thanks!